Hello. In this video I will show you how to use the Google Chrome extension called Website Downloader. With its help, you can download pages of sites for offline use. Great for saving important info. Let's begin. First, install the Website Downloader extension. The link is in the video description. Open Google Chrome and enter the Chrome Web Store address. In the search, enter the name of the extension, the website to download. Find the extension and click on it. After that, click Add Chrome. After that, to quickly find the extension, fix its icon next to the address bar. Great, now we are ready to work. With the extension installed, let's download a web page. Open the page you want to download and click on the extension icon. After that, click the download button. After the page is downloaded, you can open it offline without using the internet. This is very convenient if you want to save information for further study or work. Now you can easily download a web page with the Website Downloader extension. If you liked this video, like it and subscribe to our channel so as not to miss new useful tips. All links will be in the description. See you in the next video.